Fatoumatta, what was your experience with M&M? Like how you explain in your own words, like your journey about the classes and mocks and the feedback services?
Okay. I'm really delighted to be, sharing my journey with M&M today because I think I would say it was a successful journey, and then it was very lively, and then I was so comfortable with M&M simply because, everything was just made so easy. You are never left alone. Whenever you have any doubts, they always guide you through. And then the sessions were arrange or plan in such a way that it favors me so well, so I didn't have any problems with the sessions. And then they were so interactive as well. And then the fact that we were having almost sessions every day, Mondays through Fridays through Thursdays, and the Fridays we usually have the mock exams are. So it was really effective, and all the staffs were very, very helpful. I wouldn't do justice if I don't mention one, like Dr Fatoumatta. I always like disturbing her, and she was always ready to help clear my doubts. And I'm also very grateful to you, Sarah, as well, and the entire M&M team. It was really, really a great experience with M&M, and I'm so happy that I was able to pass my OET exams just on my first attempt. So, which was
thank you very much. And how would you say about our daily mocks? How helpful those mocks were? Final mocks.
Yeah, the daily mocks, they were really helpful because why I would say that the fact that you get personalized reviews or feedbacks every day, it was really good. Because I got to find out that there was a thread I was developing from the beginning. When I just started, it wasn't really good, the feedbacks I used to get. But then I saw a positive trend. I was gradually moving upwards. I started from the writing tasks. I was getting a C plus, but gradually I was getting to B. Yeah, I know it won't be easy to give an A to students because one may feel like, wow, I'm already there. But I got the point, and then I was really grateful. The fact that I always get my feedbacks on time, and then they were really helpful, and I was able to learn from my mistakes. And I think that was why I was able to make it, because I had the right guidance from M&M.
Thank you very much. And anything would you like to suggest to the students who would like to join M&M, and why should they join it?
Well, so far, it's like whenever I hear about somebody wanting to go through these English exams, just with my experience with M&M, I've already started, not like convincing them, but the first option I always put to them is, why not try the OET? I think I know of this organization or an agency that when they help you through this like course training, you're surely going to make it on your first attempt, just because of the positive experience I have with M&M. So I encourage people out there that are looking forward to having coaches that will help them, through their English journeys, especially the OET. M&M is really, it's a big deal. It's a real deal, rather, because I've already experienced it. I was great. And I'm sure nobody would regret, having M&M taking care of their stress for them by helping them through their preparation journey.
Yeah. Okay, Dr. Fatoumatta, thank you very much for your time. And I'm really grateful that on the weekend you had given us the time. So thank you very much again.
Yeah, pleasure is all mine, sir. Thank you so much. And I wish you all the best of luck as well with your entire
team. Thank you. We're really looking forward for the more recommendation, inshallah.
Sure, inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.